Have you been looking at your garden, your patio, or maybe a few empty containers and wondering, is it too late to start? If so, you're not alone. And the good news is, it's not too late. Today, we're looking at 10 easy plants we can still grow in June. And don't worry about writing everything down. We'll have a June planting cheat sheet waiting for you at the end. One thing many gardeners don't realize is that June can actually be a wonderful time to plant. Warm soil helps many seeds get started quickly. Many vegetables enjoy the warmer temperatures we're getting now, and in many areas, there's still plenty of growing season ahead. So if you've been feeling behind, you're not. There's still time to grow something beautiful. Let's start with one of the easiest vegetables on today's list, bush beans. If you're looking for a quick confidence boost in the garden, this is a wonderful place to start. They grow quickly, don't need much fuss, and work beautifully in containers, raised beds, or small garden spaces. Swiss chard is one of those vegetables that keeps giving. Instead of harvesting the whole plant, we can pick a few leaves at a time and continue harvesting throughout the season. It's colorful, forgiving, and a wonderful choice for newer gardeners. Kale is known for being dependable. Once it gets established, it often continues growing with very little attention. If you're looking for a vegetable that's happy to do its thing, kale is a great option. Before we move on, let's remember something important. We don't have to plant everything this month. One container counts. One raised bed counts. Even one healthy plant is enough. Gardening doesn't have to start big. Cucumbers are another great June choice. They enjoy warm weather and can produce a surprising number of cucumbers when they're happy. Give them sunshine, water, and something to climb, and they'll often reward us all summer long. If you've ever heard gardeners joke about having too much zucchini, there's a reason. One healthy plant can produce quite a bit. If you're hoping for a large harvest from a small space, zucchini is definitely worth considering. We've already covered some wonderful vegetables. But don't leave yet. Some of the easiest plants on today's list are still ahead. And remember, we'll have the complete screenshot guide waiting for you near the end. If you'd like to start even smaller, basil is a wonderful choice. A single basil plant can thrive in a container and provide fresh harvests throughout the season. Sometimes one herb is all it takes to get started. Chives are one of the easiest herbs we can grow. They're productive, attractive, and don't ask for much attention. For busy gardeners, that's a wonderful combination. A garden isn't only about vegetables. Sometimes, a few flowers make the entire space feel more welcoming and enjoyable. Nasturtiums, zinnias, and marigolds are all wonderful choices for June. They're easy to grow, attract pollinators, and many gardeners like planting them near vegetables as companion plants. They bring color, beauty, and a little extra life to the garden. Before we finish, here's a simple challenge. Pick just one plant from today's list. Not 5, not 10, just one. Because getting started is often the hardest part. And once we take that first step, everything feels a little easier. Here's your June planting cheat sheet. Go ahead and take a screenshot if you'd like to save it for later. And remember, you haven't missed gardening season. You're not behind. There's still time to grow something beautiful. Sometimes all it takes is one small step. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoy simple gardening tips after 50, we'd love to have you subscribe and join us here at Blueberry Hill Creatives. We're here to help make gardening feel easy, more peaceful, and a little less overwhelming. Until next time, start small and keep it simple.